So quickly, I just want to like take you through. I just want to walk you through a similar automation system we recently built for one of my clients. So let me just. I don't know. Just want to waste time, so I'm going to do it so fast. I'm going to explain it so fast. All right. So this is my account, and I'm currently managing like two other clients' accounts. I'm currently building systems with two other clients, right? So this is one. This account is mainly for AI automations. We work with AI automations very well, and this is the second one, which is where I built a system similar to what you want to build, right? So if you check my screen, if you look at my screen, you can see we have three similar scenarios right here. We have the scraping social one, we have the script social 2/3, and we have the last one 3/3, right? So these three scenarios works for the whole system, right? This is the whole system of the scraping from scraping to emailing, right? And I'll just walk you through quickly, right? So let's check the scraping 1/3, the first one. So this is the first step of the scenario of the automated system. So you see how it looks like, and yeah. So this is you said you use Airtable as your storage, as your database, right? But this client used Google Sheets for his database. So we use Google Sheet, not Airtable, for this automation. So here is our Google Sheet. This scenario or this system watches the keywords. That means, what keyword do you want to scrape, right? This system, this is the first step of the automation, where we get the keyword, the country, and the platform we want to scrape from your Google Sheet. Then after that, we send it to Apify. Apify is a scraper, a scraping tool. Is mainly any scrape. It scrapes a lot of things. It scrapes social media, it scrapes Instagram, it scrapes websites, right? So we send it to Apify, and yes, so you can see on Apify we get the country, we get the keyword, and we get the platform, right? So we have the keyword is the targeted niche you want to scrape, the country is what country do you want to scrape from, and the social network is what platform do you want to scrape from, right? All right. So that is the 1/3, right? So let me walk you through 2/3, and you see how it looks like. So right here is 2/3, and I'm going to click on that, and you see how it works. All right, makes sense. So this is the second scenario, right? The three scenarios work in and they work hand in hand, right? So when the first scenario runs, right, when it starts scraping, then this one watches the result from the first scraping social 1/3. It watches the result generated, it gets the result, and send them back, save them on our Google Sheet, right? So it saves this on our Google Sheet, which is this 2/3. So let's look at the 3/3. Aha. So 3/3 is where the whole magic happens, right? Where everything happens. You see the personalization, the mailing, and just let us go. Let's go into it. So let's go. 3/3. Aha. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So can you see? This is the last scenario of the automated system, the automation, right? This is where the whole magic happens after scraping. So after we've scraped our data and we've saved it on our Google Sheet. For example, let's say Airtable. After saving it on Airtable, then this last scenario gets the script data, it gets the URL, the email, the description of the business. Then we send it this module here, this one right here, we get it gets the HTML version of the business website, right? So it just converts the website to an HTML format. Then we use a parser, and we send it to ChatGPT to summarize whatever it got from the HTML code. So it's going to summarize, give us a summary of what the business looks like, and we then make further research. We use Perplexity to make research on the business. We try to get their recent achievements, their recent updates, right? You can see this is the research bot, right? So we train this to make research of the business website. And now, after making the research, we use this to extract the name. We get the name of the business, we extract the name. So this helps us in our emailing, right? So after we get the name, we also use this bot, this agent, to construct the whole email response. We will construct the whole personalized email, and we use this lastly to get the subject line. So this agent is mainly responsible for getting the subject line of the whole email, right? So this one personalizes the email, and this one gets the subject line. So after it gets the subject line, then we now send an email to them, right? We send an email to them, right? So that's how the magic happens, right? So this is just a brief walkthrough of how it works. So when we meet, I'm going to show you further, and you get to understand better. Thank you so much, man. Yeah.